DJ la mixe kunje Lada region Yergel Henzo gi Chikep Tashi Genze Chone Sungshe Nangyu. I request our special guest Tashi Gelson, Chief Executive Councillor, Ladakh Autonomous Hill Development Council, to deliver his remarks.
Gangri Rawa Korwe Jinkamsu, Pantang Dewe Malu Jungvenas, Chandra Zigbong Tenzin Gyatsoe, Japa Siddhi Padu, Stan Gyurche. In the august presence of Your Holiness, the respected Venerable Rinpoches and Venerable monks and nuns, today's chief guest, Shri Rajiv Ranjan Singh Ji, the Honorable Union Minister. We also have Honorable Union Minister Shri Kiran Rijiju Ji, the Honorable Chief Minister of Arunachal Pradesh, Shri Pema Khandu Ji, the Honorable Minister from Sikkim, Venerable Sonam Lama Ji, Honorable Sikyong for Central Tibetan Administration, Pemba Singla Ji, and my colleague in the Hill Council Leh, Honorable Tashi Namgyal Yakzi, Your Holiness, in the Council, we have created a new portfolio for the Tibetan community, and my colleague, Mr. Tashi Namgyal Yakzi, is looking after that. And also the Honorable Councillors from LHDC Leh, foreign delegates, and other dignitaries present here, the devotees who have come from all over the world, Deshdileg and Jule. Today it is my profound honor and privilege. I, on behalf of the people of Ladakh Autonomous Hill Development Council Leh, and my esteemed colleague present here, to extend our warmest and heartfelt birthday wishes to Your Holiness on your 90th birthday. We are truly fortunate to celebrate this auspicious occasion in your presence. Your Holiness, your life and teachings have been a beacon of compassion, wisdom, and hope for all humanity, and especially for us in Ladakh. On this very special day, I wish to express our deepest gratitude for your unwavering support, guidance, and blessing that you have showered upon the people of Ladakh over the years. In times of difficulty and uncertainty, when we are part of the erstwhile state of Jammu and Kashmir, development seemed a distant dream then, but your spiritual presence gave us strength and hope. Your teaching uplifted our spirit and inspired us to preserve. Your Holiness, Your charitable activities have touched countless lives in our region. Through your esteemed institutions such as TCV and SOS schools, you have opened the doors for education to the underprivileged, not only among the Tibetan community but also for Ladakhis. Many of our youth who once studied in these schools have risen to serve our society with dedication. Some even as counselor in LHDC, Leh, who are working with me now, and some of them are present here today as well. Their achievements are living testament to your vision and compassion. Today, as Ladakh stands as a union territory, we are grateful to the Government of India for restoring our autonomy and enabling us to fulfill our aspirations. We are now empowered to extend support and equality to all our people, including the Tibetan community who have made Ladakh their home. In past 5 years, we have undertaken numerous developmental projects, including more than 40 crore rupees allocated to Tibetan settlement residing at the various parts of Ladakh. And we have ensured that all government welfare schemes are accessible to everyone in Ladakh, which also includes the Tibetan community. Your Holiness, this is but a small token of our gratitude for the love and support you have given us in our times of need. It is now our turn to give back and ensure the well-being of all who resides in Ladakh, and I reiterate that which this also includes the Tibetan community. As a devoted Buddhist, we the people of Ladakh fully endorse the statement of His Holiness Dalai Lama regarding the reincarnation, which he has rightly entrusted to his own wisdom and discretion. In our belief, it is ultimately the individual Lama and his karma that determine how and whether the Lama returns. We deeply respect and uphold this sacred tradition and the spiritual practices that guide it. We are overjoyed to know that you will soon be visiting Ladakh. Your Holiness, I take this opportunity to formally welcome you once again and assure a comfortable stay. During your visit, we look forward to sharing with you the progress we have made in this union territory and the positive changes your blessing have inspired us, including in this new union territory, what we have done for the Tibetan community. In honor of your 90th birthday, we have dedicated the month of July as the month of compassion in Ladakh. Various charitable activities are being organized by our departments to spread your message of love and kindness. Your Holiness, we bow down to your compassion and wisdom. On behalf of all the people of Ladakh once again, I extend my deepest gratitude and heartfelt greetings to you. We pray for your long life and continued guidance. Thank you.
Tujichena Gushab Sonam Dashi Gelsin La.